Doing some maintenance today on Scott's Christian Eagle. We're going to take the upper wing off, remove these cowl panels, fairings, wheel pants, all this stuff. Our project today is going to be to paint those brackets. They got a little corrosion on them, so we'll check everything out and get her put back together, I hope. A lot of little screws and bolts. Here. It's about ready to come off, ain't it? Kind of wiggly, ain't it?
Yeah, so get these things started.
Oh, God. Alright, oh, I see what's coming out. Just wiggle it. Hold on. Just hold what you got. There you go. Well, there's that washer you were talking about. Okay, you ready? Yeah. Okay. Okay. I bring her down. Okay. All right, you want to swap your hands? There you go. All right. Wasn't bad. Yeah, I'm glad you told me about the weight too. Okay. Now, right. I'm going to pick this wing up and you can put this force. Really bad spot over there. Get it all cleaned up, getting ready to put some primer on this baby. Scott's covering his tail up.
My dentist to have his fingers in his mouth and say, "Let me get this guy out." I said, girl, there's girls in my mouth.
All right,
Guys.
so Melissa, you got this.
I know what to do. You just do your part.
Yeah. You don't think there's any pain in there, do you?
Well, it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
First thing, that's got to go from the back.
Okay, so I'm just saying, hey, that can deal with it. Well, same as yesterday, but backwards.
Yep. She's gonna pull the sawhorses out for us. Remember, the weight's gonna wanna go.
Yeah, it's gonna pull it to the front.
Alright,
Pick mine up.
yep. Okay, you ready? Go, let me catch up to you. I'm over. Okay.
Tell me how much to go back.
You see the footage right there.
Yeah.
Because we did.
Oh,
There you go.
all right.
And that's the front.
This is why we need the third person, but
Yep.
which way I need to go, Melissa?
Alright, this is what we're gonna
I
have to
can't
do.
see it.
We're gonna have to take the front out and put the back in first.
Oh, I got you.
Okay?
All right, check it out.
Okay. We probably have to work it in there. Hold on.
Hold on. I got the wing, Scott.
Okay.
What's it doing? I can't see what it's doing.
Okay.
On top of the hole.
What we have to do is pick the front up.
Okay.
Okay? There you go.
Okay.
You in?
Okay, you're in.
Okay.
Oh, good.
Now the front.
Is it out the front, Melissa?
Yeah, barely, but it's out.
Okay.
Okay, down,
Down
towards you will.
towards me.
Yeah. Okay,
Good.
you're in.
Right.
All right, they don't go nowhere. I got it, Scott.
Okay. You're good, Melissa. Thank you so much. You can imagine what that would have been like with the
I don't know.
two.
We would have done it one person at a
How
time.
have you done it?
Oh, we've
Your
done it.
arms aren't that long.
Yeah, it's just.
What we've done was stuck it up there and you run back.
Yeah.
Oh, run back and forward.
Okay. So we don't have to hold it. All right, tilt your end down. A little more. Okay.
Melissa, come here and tilt this wing and I'll help Scott.
You go ahead.
Just, when he says down, it's balance. You don't have to
Okay,
lift it. Just
so
see.
down to the back or
Yeah,
front?
just hold it up there. He says up or down.
Okay.
I'll grab the other end of the strap.
Okay, you turn it that way. Hold on a second there. All right. Which way? Now, let me do it.
Okay. I'm sure.
All right, let go.
Okay.
There we go.
Oh,
turn it this way. Okay, that's good. Turn it, swing.
The buckle. The buckle is pushed back or something.
Okay, hold on.
There you go, there you go. Then which way you gonna turn it, I can hit it.
Turn it this way.
The top.
Yeah.
Turn it.
Yeah, keep going. One more. One more. Okay. That's good.
Same way, right?
Yeah, same direction. Hold on. Turn it back. There you go.
You go out.
All right, go ahead, William. All right, go ahead. All right, go back and have a turn. Okay. All right, go ahead. Go.
Not quite finished.
He's looking good.
Fix it so you can let go. Left, upper, rear two, front two.
It gotta be hot for something, you want.
We got the wing back on, the Eagle, so Scott's got to do all the trim stuff to get everything lined back up. We got the wing back on, so here she is.